Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. So for today, I'm going to give a long-term update on the silver miners ETF. This is SIL, that's the ticker symbol. Now here is the monthly time frame, so it's a very long time frame here. So I'm labeling this pullback here back in 2015 as a grand super cycle wave 2. You can see in the subdivision, if you use this swing over here, which looks to be the biggest swing from the move from this peak here, if you use that one as the connector, you can see this is a 3 swing and ended at the supposed to be area where we should be finding support, which is the 100% extension area. Now, besides, it is kind of running out of space anyway. I mean, technically, it won't go to zero, right? Cannot be possible that all the companies within the silver miners go to zero. So, so that means we are indeed running out of space to the downside here, right? And this will be the major low in 2015, and we should be starting a new bullish leg, because the idea here is that the stock market companies typically is going to always be bullish, guys, right? They won't be in a sideways market in the larger time frame. They always will continue to go higher eventually. Now over here, we should be calling this as a series of a possible 1-2-1-2, which is a nest. Now again, this low is going to be the major low. Even this secondary low 1561 should be the major low as well, because again, it's kind of, if you assume it's going to go down like this, then basically you're looking for 100% extension from the peak, which is going to go to negative number. Impossible, right? Negative 25, impossible. So that's why we are using this one as a major low, and this one is a major secondary low. And even you can use even this one as a the low here, a big low in the silver miners, right? So then our focus then is going to be the last few move here in the shorter cycle. We're still not yet really accelerating to the upside still, okay, despite gold making new all-time high and silver starting to catch up. So if we take a look on the lower time frame, daily time frame, I'm going to be focused primarily on this move up here from 2 in black, right? So this is the 2 in black, the same 2 in black we saw here. Now if I focus on the move up here, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 pull back, and then it looks to me like another clear 5 swing with a divergence over here. So it seems to me that we do have a sequence of 5 waves from the low here, and currently this pullback here is nothing more than correction of this 5 waves rally here, right? So it's a healthy correction, so to speak, right? It's not, so people should not get too depressed if they don't see the miners rallying, because we've been rallying quite a lot from the 2023, and we just need to stop a little bit, pause a little bit before we attempt the next leg higher. So in terms of, now I'm looking at the structure of the pullback here is not extremely clear. I mean, I wish I could see a clear like a 3-ish pullback like this, but I don't see a clear 3-ish pullback, so it's hard to know what the 100%, 161.8% extension target is for this pullback. So instead of using the extension, we're going to try to use the retracement now. And then if we do a retracement analysis, then you can see we are now hitting 38.2% retracement of the entire 5 ways move. So there is scope for a little bit more downside correction, because we are, after all, we're only correcting 38.2, and typical correction for wave 2 can sometimes go to 50 or even 61.8%, somewhere around here. Sometimes it can go somewhere around here. It's a deep correction. And sometimes people say that wave 2 can correct to wave 4 of 1 lesser degree, which is around 29, high 29. So in other words, we could still see a bit more downside, even though of course we're not betting on it, right? We are actually bullish, but we acknowledge the possibility of further correction in the short term, and can go to high 29s, and if it goes to like a 50%, then it can go to around 29.4 all the way to even like 25.7 if it goes up to a deep correction, okay, before it starts turning higher. But the bottom line here is that we are bullish against the beginning of that 5 waves, and I don't think it's going to go much below 76.4, to be honest. Now I wish I know exactly the level, like wave 2, but I'm expecting perhaps somewhere around high 29s to, I would say, if I have to guess, then probably my guess is somewhere here between 27.8 and high 29s is where the current pullback likely can end, and then we can then start the next leg higher again in the silver miners right here. All right, so that is a quick long-term update on the SIL, and we don't cover this one, but we do cover GDX in the group 3. We also obviously cover gold, silver as well in the group 1. So I'll see you all again. If you do want to see more updates, something like this, you can always follow our YouTube channel to get more updates, technical updates, as well as try our service if you like. We got 14 days trial. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.